Is your nightstand a tech mess? Simplify with Belkin. Tired of juggling charging cables? We've got a sleek solution that's both tech-savvy and eco-conscious. This isn't just another charger. It's a MagSafe compatible wireless charging dock designed for your iPhone and AirPods. It delivers a fast 15W charge, keeping your devices powered up and ready to go. Plus, it's compatible with iPhone 16, 15, 14, and 13 series, as well as AirPods with MagSafe charging. The Belkin 2-in-1 isn't just about power, it's about sustainability. The housing is made from at least 60% post-consumer recycled plastic. Its adjustable viewing angle lets you comfortably use your phone while it charges. The weighted base keeps everything stable. It eliminates cable clutter and offers fast wireless charging. It supports standby mode, turning your iPhone into a smart display. It's also built to last, backed by a 2-year warranty and connected equipment coverage. You can find it on Amazon. Ready to declutter and charge efficiently? Head to the summarized product description to learn more and grab your Belkin 2-in-1 MagSafe wireless charging dock. Don't miss out on this blend of tech and sustainability.